Hello, today I will explain about the Rxjs. Rxjs is a reactive extension for JavaScript library. So, which is JavaScript library can use different frameworks like Angular, React, Vue. So, we can adopt this reactive library for all the frameworks what we have designed. Coming to that, what it has a lot of advantages like Rxjs having event handlings and some other HTTP requests and real-time data manipulations. Sure, these are the extra use cases of this Rxjs. Coming to the event handlers, every HTML elements having clicks, keyboard inputs, and mouse movements. So depends upon our events that element should be changed reactively and interactive in the web development. So it can handle HTTP requests. For example, crucial it will works on the fetching data from the APIs. So it is an advantage of the RxJS. It can handles with the HTTP requests and responses. It mostly working on asynchronous operations. So you can handle all these HTTP requests and responses in this RxJS. Coming to the real-time data, so real-time data is an excellent managing or real-time data from the sources like WebSocket. So we can fetch, we can collect the data in the WebSocket. We can easily can we do the RxJS. It has advantages like reactive programming and composability and error handling. So these are the advantages of the Rxjs. Reactivity means uh, Rxjs enables your application to respond dynamically to change the data. So here we can apply some other advantages like event handlings. So click events and mouse movements, on click events, and keyboard inputs. These are the events can be reactively and interactive can be done by this Rxjs. And composability means for example, if you take any complex data, it can be composed by and compose and avoid the be preserve the data. So when we got uh, more amount of data, it can be handled by the composability in the Rxjs. And error handling in Rxjs is error handling very easy. Mostly we are using some features. uh, these are the observables and some other like operators, schedulers, and subject and memory management. So for example, if you got any error in the data or any error, it can easily find and we can rectify. So here we have some error handling methods like catch error and some other like um, uh, throw new error. So these are the advantages to find out the errors while we are doing the tasks. So here coming to the futures, we are mostly we are knowing about the observables having a lot of advantages like observables can handle asynchronous data operations, so it can sense the packets of data over the period of time. It has an advantage of this Rxjs. And we can use the promises are one of the advantage, but it can emit the single value at a time only. So that is the difference between observables and promises. So here we can use subscriptions are used to handle and execute the observable results. If you want to see the result, we can easily find out the result and by using the subscriptions only. When we want to cancel that, we can use the subscriptions only. So these are the one of the future of Rxjs. Coming to the operators, so we can perform several tasks with operators, so which is used to transform the data, and we can use to manipulate what we required in the condition based also we can perform. So here pipe operator, you use to multiple pipes can be added sequentially, and it can performs the on the observables of that. So coming to the schedulers, schedulers are used to handle executions. If you want to execute the code, you can use the schedulers. When we want to cancel that execution, we can use the schedulers. So this is an advantage of schedulers. Coming to the subject, subjects are used as a observer and observables. So we can handle multi values at a multiple observables. So this is an advantage of subject. Coming to the memory management, Rxjs helps to manage resources, clean up automatically, and prevent the memory leakages in your applications. Here, Rxjs helps to manage resources very easily in the cleanup of the code. So this is an advantage of Rxjs here. So this is an introduction of Rxjs.